Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and this is Area C, which is pretty much 80% complete. We're looking at, this is my purple alamander, which got relocated sideways from the last major storm we had, which a good portion of Wellington had tornadoes, including my son's house. And here's my Vero aloe vera. Reclinata palm, unknown palm, saw palmetto, and my solitaire palm, that's a dead one, but it provides a home for the cactus and a pink orchid. So right now things are looking real. Let me get on this side so you can get it without the shade. There we go. Starting to look really good. Here's that one little section. I just put the staghorn fern there, cut off a tree that was growing in it. Hopefully I'll have to keep a close watch on it. There's a pile of dirt that I gotta sift through, and then spread the sifted soil and the mulch over here, and then relocate a few plants that are back there, and we'll be finished as soon as we get that one last green clump and a few of the weeds in the back there. So thank you for stopping by. Any comments? We're all ears. Take care, thank you, and take care. Bye-bye.